Okay, so good morning, students. Let us start. Okay, so today we will be solving some numericals from this network project, network diagram. Okay, from there we'll be solving some numericals, which these numericals I've selected some numericals from the gate questions. Okay, so today we will be solving few, only I think 2 to 3 types of problems. Okay, so let us start. Is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see, first problem. Okay, so the first problem is this. Following data, please keep copy, calculator, pencil ready with you. Okay, you need to submit this assignment in the Google Classroom. I posted a link there. Okay, so slot there, you can submit it there. See, following data refer to the activities of a project where node 1, see here, node 1 refer to the starting of the network diagram and node 5 refer to the end of the network diagram. See, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 like this, it's going on. So these are the nodes. Okay, basically we know that we can write activities. We generally, what we do, this is your node 1, suppose this is your node 2. Okay, so these are the events. So this is 1, this is 2. Okay, and this is the arrow is what, it's actually the activity. So activity can be written as a b c d also, or it can be written as 1 to 2 I to j, basically. Okay, 2 to 3 like that. So these are the activities. You can name it also. Suppose, say for example, you name this as a, this one as b. Okay, then following c d, like this you can name it also, or we can represent it by like this also, I to j, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 like this. See, these are given in the question. These are the duration, respective durations of each activities. Okay, now they are asking to find the critical path. Okay, see, in gate questions or in any others competitive exams, you do not have you have less time to solve the problem. Okay, you have to solve the problem as quickly as possible. So in such cases, use your mind. See, uh, if you start drawing this activity, or we can say if you start drawing the network diagram, then it will take longer time to solve this problem. Okay, so use your mind and try to solve it in such a way that you will get your answers as soon as possible, as early as possible. Okay, so see, these are the options given to you. Now try to draw these options only, try to take care of these options only, consider these options only. Okay, see, one path is given, which is 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 5. Second part is 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 4 to 5, 4, 5 to 6. Okay, third part is, this will be C option. Okay, 1 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 5. And the fourth option is 1 to 4, 4 to 5. So among these, we have to select, we have to consider these four parts only. Not all the path is considered here. Okay, only the four paths in this particular network diagram, we will consider those, and we will see among this which one is the critical path. So can we solve it? So in order to determine which path is critical, there are many methods I've discussed. Slack method, float method, and the shortest shortcut method is what? Critical path is also known as which path? Shortest path or the longest path? Critical path is the longest path or the shortest path?
Shortest time path মানে
Hmm,
longest.
no.
Longest path.
Longest duration path is the critical activity. So among these four activities, among these four path, we need to identify, or we need to see that which path has the longest duration. Okay. So for that, so can you please tell me, these are the conditions given to you. So which option will be correct option? Anyone? So which will be the longest path? That
B.
will be your critical path.
B.
Okay. So what is the duration of this first path? So you can draw a table like this. Path. Then along this path, what are the activities? Then what are the duration of the activities, we will simply sum up and we will get the total duration of the path. Okay, in the first path, these are the path given to you, right? 1 to 2, 3, 5. So how many activities are here in this path? How many
4.
activities are there? 4 activities, right? What are those activities? Ankush? Hmm? Tell me who are present here. Raka, Srimoy, Premangshu, Satyajit. So
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me, what are the path in the first? What are the activities in the first path?
4 और 4 होगा.
वही तो कौन सा पाथ है यानी कौन सा एक्टिविटी है इन दिस फर्स्ट पाथ. नेम द एक्टिविटीज और आइडेंटिफाई द एक्टिविटीज. एक्टिविटीज यहाँ पे देखकर बोलो कौन कौन सा है. सो फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी इज हियर 1 to 2.
1 to
Yeah.
2.
Second activity is 2
2
to
to 3.
3. ठीक है. And third activity is 3 to
3
5.
to
So 4
5.
activity कहाँ से आ रहा है. यहाँ पे तो only 3 activities are there. So for this activity, first tell me this activity, this path exist or not. ये सच में रहता है in this diagram. Does it exist or not? देखो 1 to 2
Does not
it.
exist, ma'am.
Why? 1 to 2
Ma'am,
it
3 to
exists.
3 to 5 कैसे होगा मैम?
क्यों? It is given here. See 3 to 5. See 1 to 2 also is there. Okay. Duration कितना है? 2. 2 to 3 is also there. Duration कितना है? 1. Right? Then 3 to 5 is also there. Duration is how
अच्छा,
much?
possible.
2. So it is possible. Okay. So what is the total duration? 2 plus
5.
2, 5 days. Right. So, oh sorry, this will be 5. Okay. So 5 days are there. It exists. This path exists. Now tell me this second path exists or does not exist? Hmm? First tell me what are the activities in the second path.
Start to ma'am.
मैम
1
3
to
to 4.
2 to 2 to 3.
मैम 3 to 4 টা তো নেই.
Yes. 3 to 4. 4 to 5. Okay.
मैम उल्टो दिखे तो एक्टिविटी काउंट হয় না তো.
Yes, but in the question they have given this one. Okay, actually this question is wrong because it is not following Fulkerson rule. Okay, but still if you consider that this is correct diagram, then here 3 to 4 doesn't exist. Why? Because 4 to 3 is here given here, not 3 to 4. So this one does not exist. This activity does not exist, right? But the problem is wrong. Okay, because Fulkerson rule must be followed. I to j, j should be greater than I. So
তাহলে ম্যাম কোশ্চেন অনুযায়ী দেখবো না নাম্বার
yes,
অনুযায়ী
yes,
দেখবো?
question. As per the question, we are solving. Okay. So this is no, does not exist. Okay. So we need not to calculate the path duration. Okay. Now tell me the third path. It exists or not?
এক্সিস্ট ম্যাম.
Exists, right? So what are the activities in this path?
1 to 4, 4 to 3 and
Yes.
চলে গেল ম্যাম, দেখতে পাইনি.
Wait. See. 1 to 4.
4.
4. Okay. Plus
4 to 3,
not plus comma again. 4 to 3
3 to
exists
5.
and 3 to 5 also exist, right? See 1 to 4, 4 to 3 and 3 to 5. Now what is the duration? 3 plus 3 plus
8, 8.
2, 8,
8.
right? So 8 days. Okay, so this exists. Now what is this one? Tell me about this. 4, 1 to 4 and 4 to 5 only, right? Only 2 activities.
7 days.
So 1 to 4 and 4 to 5, which is 3 plus 4, 7. So it exists and its duration is 7. Okay. So which one is the critical activity then? Which option?
third one.
Yes. So here this path is the critical path. Okay. So since this is the longest path, clear. Now like this you
ম্যাম
have to
এই
solve.
এই টাইপের কোশ্চেন গুলো কি শুধু এমসিকিউ তেই আসবে নাকি
Yes,
লং
yes,
কোশ্চেনও
yes.
আসতে পারে?
See, long questions they will give you. I will try to solve like that question also. Okay. See, they will ask you to draw the chart. Then they will ask you to calculate either slack or float. So it will be included in the long questions. But for MCQs, like these questions will be provided to you. Okay.
ওকে ওকে
Now problem 2. You will try to solve this. Okay. So this is the find out the critical path from this network diagram. Same method, only here denotations are different. There it was 1 to 2 like that, but here we are, instead of 1 to 2 we are telling A activity, instead of 2 to 3 we are telling B activity, like that. Okay, so it is like this. See, if we draw the network diagram, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So this is A activity. Okay, then this is B activity, then this is E activity. So like this they have given the path. Okay, so this is A, this is B, this is E, like that. E, G, H. Okay. In previous they have given 1 to 2. Okay, then 2 to 3, then 3 to 4, like that. So can you tell me which is would be a correct option? First tell me what is the duration of this path. First identify whether it exists or not. Okay, in the activity diagram, in the network diagram, see whether it exists or not. For that you have to see this relationship, predecessor relationship. Okay, with the activity. Please try to solve by yourself. Hello, acho tomra? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you trying to solve? Simple, same pattern. Okay, so these are the, write down the options or the path which they have asked you. Okay, now see what are the activities here. What are the activities in this path? How many activities are there in this path?
5.
Yes, 5. These are 1, A, B, E. These are all activities only. So there are 5 activities. Okay. So A plus B plus E plus G plus H. Okay. Now tell me this exists or not? This path exists or not? See.
ডাজন্ট এক্সিস্ট ম্যাম।
Why? See here.
ম্যাম
A.
ওখানে মিডিল লাইনে মিডিল কলামে যে নাম্বার গুলো আছে মানে দুটো করে ম্যাচ করে করতে হবে, তিনটে অ্যাকর্ডিংলি ম্যাচ করতে হবে, কিন্তু দুটো ম্যাচ হচ্ছে, একটা ম্যাচ হচ্ছে না।
Which one? This A to
মিডিল
B
ওয়ান।
is matching. A to B, that means B will start when A will complete. Okay, B predecessor is A. See, B predecessor is A. Okay, it is matching, right? It exists. This one exists, right? Now comes B to E. That means B predecessor is E. So E's predecessor is B. Okay, E का predecessor B है. So E predecessor is B. It is satisfying. It is
ये भी
also matching. ठीक है. Next E to G. That means E will come, then G will come. Okay, that is predecessor of G is E. See, the predecessor of G is
हाँ
E.
हाँ match
It is
हाँ
satisfying. So this is also satisfying.
अच्छा
Now comes
अच्छा
the G to H. That means H will occur when G completes. That is predecessor of H is G.
हाँ
See, predecessor of H
हाँ
is
exist
G. Okay, so
हाँ
it also exists. So this whole activity or this whole path exists, right?
हाँ
Now find out the duration. So how many activities are there? Simply add the duration of all the activities and tell me what is the duration.
हम्म,
A is 3, okay, B is 4,
हाँ
E is 2, G is 6, H is 2. So 3 plus 4, 7, 7
17.
plus 2, 9, 9 plus 6, 17. Okay, 15, 15 plus 2, 17. So it exists. Okay, so 17. Clear? So now try to solve for this remaining three path and see whether it exists or not.
ম্যাম তাহলে যেটা ডিউরেশন সব থেকে বেশি হবে সেটাই ক্রিটিক্যাল পাথ হবে
Yes,
তো
the duration which
তাহলে ম্যাম 17 এর বেশি আর কিছু হতে পারে বলে তো মনে হয় না
first try to solve, then you will see. Na, without solving you can't see. For all activity, for all path, whether see it exists or not, then for if it exists, then calculate the duration of all the activities, add sum up and determine the path duration. Okay, see, A to D, it exists or not? Tell
Yes,
me.
ma'am.
A
Exist.
to D, that is D's predecessor is A. D's predecessor is A. Okay, very good. Now tell me D to F.
Exist.
That means F predecessor is D. So F predecessor is D. Exist. Now comes F to H. That is H predecessor is F. H predecessor is F. Yes. Okay. So this also exists. Now, if this exists, then identify what are the activities A, D, F, H. Okay. So what are the duration? A 3. Okay.
18.
D, yes. D 4. H is, sorry, F is 9 and H is 2. So 3 plus 4 plus 9 plus 2, how much?
18.
18. See, you said it will not, this is the highest duration.
Yes.
Now it exists. Okay. Now similarly for this one, tell me this path exists or not?
Exist, ma'am.
Exist. Let us see. Okay, let us see.
Yes, ma'am,
See,
exist.
A to C, that means C's predecessor is A. C predecessor is A. Exist. Very good. C to G, that is G's predecessor is C. G's predecessor is C. Exist. G to H, that is H predecessor is G. H predecessor is G. So all these three activities exist. Okay. So
16, ma'am.
yes. So A plus C plus G plus H, that is A is 3, C is 5, G is 6, H is 2. Okay. So 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2, which is 16 days. Now, here comes the final. Tell me, this exists or not?
No, ma'am. Doesn't exist.
Yes. Why? See here. A to B. Okay. That is B's predecessor is A. Exist. Okay. Now, B to C. That is C's predecessor should be B. C. But C's predecessor is only A. So, here it does not exist. Okay, remaining may exist, but it does not exist means the whole path doesn't exist. Okay,
Option B is correct
so
answer.
no existence. So your option B is the longest duration. So this is the longest path, which is A, D, F, G, F, H. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
See, you need not to draw the network diagram, right? If you will draw, then you will take much time, and that is not possible. Okay, in case of such competitive exam, you have to solve this as early as possible within the less time. Okay. So like this you have to do. Only identify the activities which are given in the option. No need to draw all the activities or all the networks. Now let us solve the another problem. 3. See. A project consists of 7 activities. Okay. The network along with the time durations in days for various activities is shown in the figure. Okay, that means these are the durations of the activities. Okay, here I have not given A, B, C, D. So you can simply write note, what to say, write it as 1 to 2, 1 to 3 like that. Okay. Now the
ম্যাম
minimum
ক্রিটিক্যালের অপোজিটটা কি একবার বলবেন?
critical or opposite means
মানে লংগেস্ট ডে হলে ক্রিটিক্যাল, তা যদি মিনিমাম ডেজ হয় তাহলে ওটাকে কি বলে?
see
ওটার কোনো নাম আছে
critical
কি?
why no it does there is no name such names. Okay, there will be only
ওকে
one term which is critical path. That means if you make any delay in those activities which are in that critical path, that means your whole project duration will be delayed. That's why it is critical. Okay, the main
ওকে ম্যাম।
aim was what? To determine the project duration. Okay, to identify which activities are critical. That means there will be no delay. We cannot do delay in such activities. Okay, we have to take precise care on those activities. Okay, so that our project might not get delayed. Now see, so in these questions, this is the network diagram, and they have asked you what is the minimum time for completion of the project. That is the project duration they are asking you. Now tell me how we will identify, how we will calculate, determine the project duration. Project duration means here your project starts, here your project ends. Okay, so what is the time of completion of this whole project? That is the project duration. So I have already said, for calculating the project duration, which parameter must be calculated first?
40.
40. Oh, your answer is correct, but which parameter?
ম্যাম 1 to 5 6।
1 3 4 5 6.
Okay, suppose this is very easy network diagram. Okay, if there will be some critical diagram, if there will be more number, 10 number of paths, so it will be very tough for you to calculate all, identify all the activities. Okay, and do summations. Here it is only 1 to 3 paths are there. That's why you could easily calculate. Okay, but if it would be more critical diagram, then how we will calculate in easiest way?
ম্যাম নাম্বার অফ সামেশনস অ্যান্ড হুইচ ইজ shorter in days,
Not shorter,
minimum days,
not shorter.
which takes minimum days to go the path, go through the path.
See, for calculating the project duration, you must calculate E value. E is what? Earliest start time. Okay, earliest start time of the activity, or the from which event that activity is starting, what is the earliest start time? We have to calculate that. Okay, so this one you need to calculate, and we know the earliest start time on the last event will be your project duration. So whatever value you will get in this last event, okay, that is E6 value will be your project duration for this particular network diagram. So we need to calculate E values, which is the earliest start time. Now, since earliest start time is the forward method, so which event we will first calculate earliest start time? Which number event? 1 2 3 4
1.
1. Okay, so E1 we will calculate, and what is the value of E1?
0.
Yes, 0. Now what will be the value of E2 or E3?
12 and 14.
Yes, E2 will be, see, use this equation. Okay, if this is E2, I2J, okay, here it is I event, here it is J event. Okay, so E2, so it is 1 to 2. Okay, so E2 will be what? E1 plus duration, that is Dij. Okay, so this is the formula. So here see, 1 to 2. For this we have to see how many arrowheads are attaching with this event for E values. Okay, and for L values we have to see how many tails are attached. Forget about it, first we will calculate E value. Okay, so for E, how many arrows are there? 1 arrow, so only one value of E we will get in this event. Okay, which is coming from one event. Okay, so E1 plus duration, which is 0 plus 12 is 2. Now what is E3? E3 will be, it is coming from, say, 1. So E1 plus duration, 0 plus 14 is 14. Okay, now which one? E4 or E5? We will calculate first. E4 or
E4.
yes, E4. Why? Because for E5 we are seeing that now 1 2 3 arrowheads are there, right, which is coming from 4 3 and 2. So we must have values of 2 3 and 4. Okay, so first we will calculate E4. Now what is the value of E4? Only one
21.
arrowhead which is coming from 3, so 14. E3 plus 7, that is 21. Okay, now we will go to E5. E5, how many values we will get?
30.
How many values we will get?
3.
3. Why? Because 3 arrowheads. Okay, so this arrow is coming from 2, so 12 plus 11, how much? 23.
23.
Okay, this arrow is coming from 3, so 3 E3 plus 12, how much? 26.
26.
Okay, and this one coming from, this arrow coming from 4,
30.
so 21 plus 9, 30. Okay, so E5 will be the maximum. See, maximum. So 30. Now comes the E6. E6 will be what? It is only coming from 5. This arrow is coming from 5. So E5 plus 10, which is E5 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. Okay. See, those who have answered it correctly, very good. Okay, why? Because you could solve it, because there is only 3 paths, so it is easy for you to solve it quickly. In such cases you can use the calculate the maximum path and just put that value there. Okay, but in many problems there will be more network diagrams. Suppose here they have given like this. Okay, more network diagrams, suppose like this they will give, so it will be very tough for you to calculate all the duration of all the paths. Okay, so in that case simply calculate E values and see which value is the last E value. That will be your project duration. Okay, so this is the project duration. Clear? See, 40. Achha, can you please tell me why this value is the project duration? Why the E value at this last event is considered as the project duration? Why? Anyone? What is the basic concept? बोलो क्या कॉन्सेप्ट था? राका श्रीमोई बोलो. Kueli. Why we are considering this 40 as the project duration? Tell me what is E value. E का मतलब क्या था? Earliest start time. What does
Early
it
start
mean?
time.
Means what? Means from this 6th event, okay, the whatever activity will be started, that will start as early as possible on the 40th day. Okay, on the 40th day from the start of the project. Okay, that means what? Any activity which will start from here, but here projects end. Okay, this project, this whole project ends here in this event. Yeah, at this event it will end, this whole project. Okay, that means now new project will start from here. When? On the 40th day. Okay, on the 40th day new project will be starting. Now new project start means what? Here old project has completed. That's why the completion duration will be the last E values. Okay, is it clear? This project, second project,
Yes,
will only
ma'am.
start when this first project will be completed, right? And it is starting on which day? The second project is starting on the 40th day. That means we can say this first project is finishing on the 40th day or completing on the 40th day. Okay, that's why the project duration of this network is 40 days. Okay, so now we will solve the next problem. So next problem, it is little bit that you have asked now, Ankush, whether they will give you MCQ type or long type. This is the long type. Okay, 15 marks questions like that. See, now they will ask you to draw the network and find the critical path. Also find the project duration. That means we have to see what is the last E value, that will be the project duration, and also determine all the floats, total free and independent float. First we need to draw the network diagram. See, so what is our first step? We will draw. What we will draw first?
Tail event.
Tail event. Very good. Okay, which is denoted by number 1. Okay, now see, A and B has no predecessor, so these are independent and these are the first activities. Okay, So they will start independent. Okay, so A here, B here. Okay, so you can write it here A, then your duration which is 3, then B, then duration which is 4. Okay, so like this you can draw. Clear? So please draw. Now comes the C. C activity will start when both A and B will finish. That means how it will look. See, C will start when both A and B will finish together. That means suppose this A activity starts from here, it finishes here. Okay, your B activity starts from here, finishes here. This is A, this is B. That means your C will start from this event. Is it correct?
No, ma'am.
No. Why?
ma'am.
Because your activities should not have same starting event and same finishing event. Okay, then it will be wrong diagram. So in that case, which activity we have to consider then?
Dummy activity.
Yes, very good. Dummy activity. Okay, so we will put one dummy activity. Okay, now here also we have to see whether this dummy activity is, we have to see the direction. Okay, suppose this is the first case, your dummy activity is in this direction. So we see A is actually completing in 3 event, we can say, because it is not taking any time. So A is completing actually on the this third event, and B is also finishing on this third event. So we can see that C is starting from which event where both A and B are completing. Okay, so we can draw in this way or we can draw in this way also. Both will be correct. Okay, until unless we draw another next activity. Okay, till here both the direction is correct until we draw the next activity. Okay, now see, next activity will start. See, here also B is finishing here, A is finishing here, both are completing in this event, and from here your C activity is starting. This is also correct. Okay, now see, D activity will start from when it will start from which event? When your B activity completes. Okay, the event where this B ends, from that event your D will be started. Now tell me, in this case, which event, from which event your D will start in this case? Event number?
B.
No, event number
2.
2.
3.
2. From 2 it will, that means if this is
No,
the
ma'am.
case, yes, because if this is your C, then C's predecessor is A, it is not satisfying, right? Sorry, if it is D, then D's predecessor is A, but here D's predecessor is B, so this is not correct. So which event?
2, ma'am.
2. I'm talking about this case. Okay, in this case, from which event you will start your D activity?
3.
3. Okay, if we draw from 3, okay, this is your D activity. Now in this case, where you will start? From which event?
2.
2 in this case. Okay, now tell me which is correct and which is incorrect. Is this correct or is this one is correct? See, in this event, does only B activity ends? In this event? Huh? In this event, only B activity is ending?
No, ma'am.
No. In this event, both B and A activities are ending. Okay, that means D's predecessor will be both A and B in this case. But here, they have said that D's predecessor is only B. See here, in this case, here only B activity is completing, here, finishing, ending, right? So, we can say that D's predecessor is only B. Okay, clear? So, this will be your correct diagram and this will be your incorrect diagram. That means your dummy activity will go up. Okay, your arrow will be in this direction of the dummy activity, not in this direction. Clear? Clear hai?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is incorrect, this is correct. Now we will proceed with this diagram, not with this. Okay, we will discard this, we will proceed with this diagram. Now see, your E activity's predecessor is D. That means when D ends, then E start. So from where we will draw this event? E activity. See, D will end here. Okay. C will end here, somewhere here. Okay, we will write down the numbers also, following the Fulkerson's rule. Now your E activity will start from this event, because E's predecessor is D. See, E's predecessor is D, satisfying. Clear? So we will write down the number also. So you can give it 4, 2 to 4. Okay. Clear? Clear hai?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see. Okay. See, F will start when at that event, from that event when your C and E is completed. Okay. So see, E is here, C is here. So we will merge these two activities. Okay, to these two activities in some event. So from that event, your F will start. So simply I have transferred this arrow here. From here to I am transferring it here. Okay, see, C and E will merge here, and from here your F will start. Okay. Now G will start from which event number? From which event your G will start?
D.
D. No, event number.
Oh, 4.
4, right? From here. Okay. So is this your complete network diagram?
No, ma'am.
No, because it's in tangling, and there should be one head event, tail event, and one head event. Okay. So we will merge these two arrows together only in one event. Okay, which is your head event, or we can say finishing event. So now your diagram is completed. Okay. So first problem solved. First diagram problem is to draw the network diagram. Okay. Now the second is to find out the project duration. So what we will do now? What we will do? They've asked you to find the project duration.
Earliest.
Yes, earliest start time. Okay. So we will simply calculate the E values. Now E1 will be, again we will start from 1. So E1 will be 0. Okay. E1 will be 0. Now E2, because for 3 we need E2 value. Okay, so we will calculate first E2. So E2 is how much? Bolo?
4.
4. Yes, 4. See, 1 से आ रहा है, so 1 का E 0 plus 4. Okay, now we will go to E3. E3 कितना होगा? How many values?
4. 2.
E3 2 values. Okay, so 2 का 2 से जब आता है तो 4 plus 0 4. ठीक है, और जब तुम्हारा आता है 1 से 0 plus 3 3. So maximum is 4. Okay, so your 4. Now कौन सा 4 और 5? Which one?
4.
Yes, E4. Okay, so E4 will be only one arrowhead, which is coming from 2. So E2 plus 6, 10. Now E5 how much?
17.
17. दोनों से आ रहा है. ठीक है, so from 4 से आएगा तो 10 plus 7, 17. Okay, or when it is coming from 3, E3 is 4. So 4 plus 5, 9. Maximum is 17. Okay, so 17. Now 6, E6,
25.
25. How? This two values will be there. So 10 plus 9, 19. And here 17 plus 8, 25. So maximum is 25. Okay. So E6 is 25. Okay. Now since we have to calculate float also, so हमको L भी calculate करना है. So we will start L from last event. L6 will be how much?
25.
25. जो भी E का. And what is the project duration?
25.
Yes. So this itself, the last E value is the project duration. Okay. Clear? तो हम लोग L6 is 25. Okay, now we will go to 5. तो 6 से सिर्फ एक टेल आ रहा है, this one. Okay, so L6 will be L5 will be L6 minus duration. See, minus आएगा. Okay, so 25 minus 8 कितना है? 17. राइट 17 ही तो है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will go to 4. L4 बोलो कितना होगा. How many values? 2 tails. So 2 L value. Okay. So one coming from 6, one coming
10,
from
ma'am.
5. Very good. So this will be 10. कहाँ से आ रहा है 10? 17 plus 7, 17 minus 7, 10. And यहाँ पे आएगा 25 minus 9, 16. Oh, हाँ. So 10. Minimum is 10. Okay. So now which one? L2 or L3?
L3.
L3 मैम.
Yes, L3. Very good. So L3 के लिए सिर्फ एक टेल हेड है which is coming from 5. 17 minus 5 कितना है? 12. Okay. अब 2 करते हैं L2. How many arrowhead? 2 arrowhead coming from 4. L4 is 10. ठीक है. 10 minus 6
Ma'am,
4
4.
and 12 minus 0 12. Okay. So 4. Minimum is 4. तो L1 बचा कितना होगा देखो यहाँ से. So 2 से जब आएगा 4 minus 4 0 and this is 12 minus 3 9. Okay. So minimum is 0. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So like this you will calculate all the L values. Okay. So this is the project duration. L values आ गया. Now we need to calculate float. So these are the formulas of the float. ठीक है. यहाँ पे हमने लिस्ट कर दिया. These are the formulas of the float. तो उसके लिए what you have to do? First write the activities whatever given I to J. ठीक है. 1 to 2 ऐसा करके लिखना है. And durations. Duration already given in the question itself. Okay. अब क्या करना है हर एक फॉर एवरी एक्टिविटीज आइडेंटिफाई अर्लियर स्टार्ट टाइम्स एंड लेटेस्ट फिनिश टाइम. तो हमने वो आइडेंटिफाई कर दिया है. सी वी हैव ऑलरेडी आइडेंटिफाइड. ओके. नाउ फॉर फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी I to J is how much? This is I is 1, J is 3. So EI is what? EI का वैल्यू कितना है फॉर वन एक्टिविटी?
4.
EI is E0. EI is what? E1 only na? EI
Zero,
is
zero.
E1, which is 0. Okay. Now EJ कितना होगा? EJ is what?
Four
EJ is 3.
Four.
Right? J value is 3 in this case. देखो ये है I, ये है J. So EJ is E3. So E3 कितना है? देखो E3 कितना है? 4. है ना? Now L is what? I is L1. That is how much?
0.
LJ is what? LJ is L3. That is how much? 12. Right? ठीक है ना? So 0, 4, 0, 12. Okay. So simply use the formulas. तो बोलो ये कितना होगा? TF कितना होगा? For first activity. LJ कितना है देखो फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी
मैम
का
16 मैम.
12. LJ is 12 minus EI is कितना है 0 minus DIJ कितना है 3 है. तो
9.
9.
तो ये वाला कितना होगा? EJ is how much? EJ is 4.
4.
So 4 minus EI is 0. Okay. Minus DIJ is 3.
1, ma'am.
1. Okay. तो वैसे ही for this one IF will be how much? EJ is 4 minus LI is 0 minus DIJ is 3. Again 1.
1.
Right. So like this way for all the activities we will calculate total float, free float, independent float. Okay. तो सबसे पहले we will write down the this EI AJ जो भी है ये सब लिखेंगे पहले. Okay. देखो 1 to 2. See for 1 to 2 this is E1 which is 0. Okay. L1 is also 0. 2 कितना है? EJ is E2. E2 देखो कितना है? E2 is 4, L2 is 4. So E2 is 4, L2 is 4. Okay. So 2 to 3. 2 to 3. So EI is nothing but the E2. E2 है तुम्हारा कितना? 4. L2 is also 4. Okay. EJ is what? E3. Okay. J here is 3. So E3 कितना है? 4 and L3 कितना है? 12. So 4, 12. वैसे करके लिख देना है. Okay. Then simply use the formulas and we will calculate TF, FF and IF. Okay, now tell me, first activity, which activity is the critical activity first?
1 to 2.
Yes, see,
2
if
to 4.
all the floats are zero of particular activity, then that activity is the critical activity. So देखो कहाँ कहाँ पे जीरो है, तीनों का तीनों. So this one first. Next
2
कौन
to
सा?
4.
Yes, 2 to 4. Then next
5 to
4 to
6.
4 to 5.
हाँ मैम.
4 to 5, then 5 to 6. Okay, so these four activities are the critical activities. See, 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. Okay, तो यहाँ पे अगर करेंगे 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. So and the path which consists of all these activity is the critical path. Okay, clear? So this is your critical path, and these are the in all the types of the float. So like this you can calculate, or we can solve this type of numericals. Okay,
मैम 1 to 5 6 ये पाथ क्रिटिकल पाथ क्यों
one
बोल रहे हैं वो एक बार बोलेंगे? मतलब ये ड्यूरेशन
which
में
one?
क्रिटिकल है कि मिनिमम डेज लग रहा है इसलिए क्रिटिकल बोल रहा है?
नहीं, see, mean not minimum. See, critical means why float values are zero. That means there is no chance of
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा.
relaxation, no chance
ओके
of
ओके
delay. ठीक है,
ओके
ये
ओके.
वाले एक्टिविटी में तुमको कोई डिले नहीं करना है, या तुमको रिलैक्सेशन करने का टाइम नहीं मिलेगा. दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज क्रिटिकल एक्टिविटी. एंड जो जो एक्टिविटी मिल के जो पाथ होता है उसको क्रिटिकल पाथ बोलते हैं. ओके.
अच्छा अच्छा, क्रिटिकल एक्टिविटीज मिलकर जो पाथ होता है वो क्रिटिकल
हम्म
पाथ है.
हम्म.
तो
एंड
मैम मैम जो शुरुआत में जो किया था
हाँ
वहाँ पे जो क्रिटिकल पाथ हुआ, जो लॉन्गेस्ट डे लग रहा था
हाँ.
उसमें क्रिटिकल पाथ बोला.
So that activity, critical activity, this path will be your longest duration also. You can check it.
ओह अच्छा अच्छा.
ठीक है. Okay. So
ओके
for
मैम.
today, this much. Okay. Already it is late, I think, by 3 minutes. So you have written your roll numbers, right, in the chat box. Okay. Okay then. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.